How to make carrot kheer in a pressure cooker. Who doesn't love gorging on a delicious carrot kheer on a chili? Winter evening, but the mere thought of exerting so much in the kitchen can simply change your mind. Well, if you to love kheer, then this easy carrot kheer recipe is perfect for you as it can be made in a pressure cooker that. Without putting in much effort. So follow us through some easy steps and nail this sweet treat. Ingredients: 3 carrots, 1/2 cup rice, 1.5 liter full-fat milk, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup condensed milk, 1/2 cup chopped mixed nuts, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 6 to 7 saffron strands, ghee. Step 1. To begin with this easy recipe, wash and peel the carrots. Now, grate the carrots and keep aside. Wash and soak the rice in step 2. Take a pressure cooker and add in ghee to this. Add in the mixed nuts and saute. Transfer these to a plate and keep aside. Step 3. To the pressure cooker, add in the carrots and cook for a while to add in the sugar. Once the carrot is slightly cooked, add in the milk and soaked rice. Keep stirring. Step 4. In this stage, add in the cardamom, saffron strands and cover the lid and cook for 2 whistles. Make sure you remove the whistle before putting on the lid. Step 5. Now, gently remove the lid. Add in condensed milk, nuts and keep stirring the kheer till it attains the desired texture. Transfer the kheer to the serving bowls and enjoy.